This segment is brought to you by the Weight Loss Center of Summerville.
You know, this is my community that I grew up in. My family is here. My friends are here.
It was 12 years ago when Summerville native Amy Young began to notice a need in the community.
You know, we as a group said, what is a service that we can bring to our patients? We were a primary care practice, and we had a lot of patients that were diabetic and hypertension, and we'd tell them, you gotta lose weight. You gotta lose weight. And, they would come in and they would either be the same weight or they would gain. And what we realized was, we really need to help them through this process.
And so began the journey of becoming the Weight Loss Center of Summerville, and over the years giving countless patients the tools they need to begin their own weight loss journeys.
I heard this a long time ago and said, if you're a physician or a nurse practitioner and you want to save the most amount of lives, you don't give someone a pill, you tell them to wear their seatbelt. And I feel like weight loss is a seatbelt of diabetes and hypertension. So, we don't have to prescribe you medication to do this. We help you hold yourself accountable, we support you, and we provide this seatbelt to get you through it.
Well, I needed to lose weight and I had gotten on a good exercise program, but there's no way to out-exercise a bad diet.
Jan Hyatt joined the Weight Loss Center in June of this year.
It's been very positive, very encouraging. The staff is fantastic. Everyone, that I have met here, they're so positive and just give you a lot of information to use, and so it's been really a very satisfying experience.
All new patients are greeted with a smile at the front desk before filling out their paperwork, including their medical history.
Weight loss is very personal for everybody, and for multiple reasons. And so I think the big thing is that we try to find out what that is for each person. And when we identify that, then we can make sure that we help make this a positive situation for them.
In the world of weight loss, knowledge is power.
Weighing, measuring, logging, even if I didn't like looking at it, but you can't, when you look at that, it's the truth, what you ate, and so you have to look it in the face, and then well, that's why I didn't lose, or that's why I did, so it's really powerful to be able to see that in black and white.
Their patients come from all walks of life, some wanting to lose 5 pounds, others wanting to lose hundreds. But the most important part of their journey is their health.
Absolutely. We've seen patients that have been able to come off of diabetic medications. We've seen patients that have come off of high blood pressure medications, off of cholesterol medications. I've had a number of patients that have been able to come off of insulin that are diabetics and just be on oral agents. So we also make sure that we communicate very much with their primary care provider so that we're working in conjunction with them.
For Jan, the last 6 months have been filled with both victories and challenges.
I was in this plateau for a couple of weeks, and Jen was so encouraging, it's easy to get down and think, I ate this bad thing, well, let me just eat some more of that bad thing. So she just encouraged me to just keep exercising and doing what I was doing, and maybe add a little more protein, which I did, and then it, broke. So I've got lots of energy, and, I feel great, and I'm proud of myself.
She's just a few pounds away from meeting her goal, but the team at the Weight Loss Center of Summerville will be there to cheer her on even after she reaches the finish line.
When you first meet your goal, we'll follow you for the first couple months afterwards to make sure that you're maintaining. And I have so many patients that have turned into friends, and that is really important. I think it's very important to be part of the community.
We have to be committed, so you can't really do it halfway. But if you're really serious about it and really want to get healthy and get the weight off, this is a wonderful place to come.
Now is the time to book your $35 consultation. For more information, call 843-879-2329.